buddy. Are you okay? I'm scared. It's okay. Take a deep breath. I'm here.
Thank you. I feel better.
Let's run together.
Yes, I'm happy again.
Whoa, slippery. I'll help. Up you go. Teamwork. Catch. This one is for you. Wow. Thank you. Vroom, vroom. Let's do farm work. Careful! Slow down! Oops! Too strong. It's okay. I'll clean you up. Thank you. I feel better. Here you go. A reward for trying. Yummy. Thanks. Follow me, little ducklings. Dig here and move the dirt there. Splash, splash. Come on. Good job swimming, everyone. Don't worry, I'll take them out. I'll help you get up safely. This bandage will protect your leg. Ooh, thank you. Slowly. You can do it. You can do it. Moo. I'm okay. Here's your hay. Eat well. Aha! Hey, Havina, I have an idea. Let's make a new pond. Fill it up nice and gentle. One by one. Jump. A fence keeps you safe. Hello, little bee. Build a bee house. I'll build a bee. Wood for building. I can do it. Frame first, windows next. Yellow, black, black, perfect. Welcome home, bees. Sweet honey. Thank you. Hi, pigs. Do you want to go to your pen? Oink, oink, oink. Go on in. Mud play is okay, then we wash. Oink, oink, oink. Washy, washy. Clean pigs are happy pigs. Oink, oink. Here's your corn. Share nicely. Good job drinking water. Hydration helps you grow.
Oops. The logs keep falling. I'll try again.
All done. Now you're safe inside.
Oink, oink.
This shelter keeps you cool and dry. Aha! Aha! Now I should help the horses. Come on, friend. Let's get you cleaned up. Scrub, scrub. Clean coat, happy horse. Clean hooves help you walk safely. Snip, snip, neat and tidy. Delivery time. Hold on tight, trailer. Hay for the horses. The horses. Stack it nice and high. Hello, horse. I brought fresh hay. Fresh hay. Eat up. Chew slowly. Fresh water for you. Walk together, friends stay close. Let's go home to the barn. Come in, white horse. Say hello to your friend.
A baby foal. So cute and tiny.
Drink slowly, little one. You'll grow strong. A happy family makes a happy farm. New job. Let's keep going. Good morning, horses. Time to come out.
Come on, horses. Follow me. Step up. Please don't be scared.
Slow steps. You're safe, good horse. Great job. Let's go carefully. Hold tight. We're going slowly. One at a time, easy steps. Good walking. Stay close together. Just a little trim. Snip, snip, snip. Clean hooves, strong steps. Gentle wipe, good horse. Thank you for lifting your leg. All clean. Let's work together and help the farm. Here you go. Fresh hay for both of you. Up the ramp, slowly, good horses.
Whee! I'm helping too. Careful. Stay close, but not too close. Easy. One step at a time. This wheel is mine.
It's coming off. Hey! Stop right there! Oh no! The wheel fell into the lake! A shark! I need help. I need tools. I'll fix the tractor first, then help the shark too. Drain the water, then I can rescue the shark safely. Don't worry, I will help you. Easy. I've got you. Stay calm. Back into the water you go. Be safe. Goodbye, shark. Be kind next time. I found the missing wheel. Roll, roll, almost home. Tighten the bolts. Click, click. Fixed. Great teamwork today. Remember, we help others and we stay safe.